Okay? So, again, we are going to answer our problem statement 2, but we will begin first on the NMAT performance of the respondents as a group. We already decided that to present the NMAT performance as a group, we will use descriptive stat, and we are going to make use of mean, standard deviation, and we will try to give a description of that mean, and then we will determine how many of our students did an outstanding performance and all that, no? Sige. So, which means that when you open your SPSS, you may run an existing or you can type in a data. But we already have an existing, correct? So, we open our document. We open our Excel, please. And then we go to all files. And then we go to the demonstration data. The ones it marked your data is the data. Okay. Why can't I open that? Because it's been in Excel. So I need to exit that. Okay, so again, I'm going to open. I'm going to go to where my file is. Okay. And then I have that. Alright? So again, that's a demo data. It quite takes time. Alright. So last time we did our recoding and everything. So I have my NMAT performance here. How can I present that? Alright? Ano yung sabi natin? We get the mean. So can you tell me, as a form of a review, if I want to get the mean of NMAT performance, what will I press? I go to Analyze, I go to Descriptive Stat, and I go to where? Descriptives, if I just want a mean, right? See, I go to Descriptives, and then what will I place? What will I press? The NMAT, press the arrow, and then where will I go? Can I go to Options? And then I'm gonna check the mean, the standard deviation. If you want a minimum or maximum, fine. No? If you want a kurtosis, skewness, fine. But, you know, when you cannot explain that, do not show that on your table. No? Okay. So, I'm gonna press continue, and then what else? Okay. I'm gonna press OK. Okay. So, I have a what? I have a mean for the entire group, 77.83. Question is, so what is 77.83 mean? What is the performance of my group? Because as of this moment, hindi mo tayo nag-decide kung ano talaga yung ibig sabihin ng performance. Correct? Na ano yung ibig sabihin ng outstanding performance. So what is outstanding performance for you? For an NMAT performance. What is outstanding? Because the range here is from 0 to 100, right? Okay. Anyone who have researched kung ano yung passing ng NMAT? 70, di kaya 75? Hindi. Di tayo. Anyone who's... Wala. Meaning, wala gid ninyo nag-research? Sige ha. Ang in charge na kay kanang mag-present man, di ba? Oo. Sige. Sige, maghimo-himo lang gud ta. Maghimo-himo lang sa ta. Sige, sa inyong paminaw, unsa man. Mga 95 to 100, unsa. Ano ang pangalan aning mga 95 to 100? Excellent. Okay, sige. Amerikano to excellent. What else? 94 to 90. Ha? 90 to 94. Unsa man na 90 to 94? Very good. Kasi yung outstanding, parang murag excellent lang. So, kung atong awaton ning naa sa handbook, 89 to, or 85 to 89, good. Tapos, ang pangutanan ninyo, ma'am, mauna gyud na siya ang range, ma'am? Dili. Kay, kung ikaw ang researcher, you will prove why is this the range. Right? So, this is just a sample. Now, you should have a good rationale why this, ha? Dili lang kay, ma'am, kay mao lang manggudang naadiri sa ato ang grading system. Ako na lang giawat-awat. 'Di ba? Diba sabi natin, how did you identify the socioeconomic status? How did you identify low, medium, low, average, high? And then some of you might say, because I base it from the standard of NSO. No, yung ganon. So, of course, you get the point. Next, ano bang after ng good? Here, I have 80 to 84. 80 to 84, fair. And then we have 79, 75 to 79, passing. Kana kung 75 to 79, yung passing, no? Tapos 0 to 74, failed. Panalitan lang. Again, sample, ha? O, i-google nyo kung ano yung ranges ng ano, ha? Okay. Sige. Which means, when I get back to my data, gonna go to output. When I back to my data, this is my what? What's my mean? My mean is 77. Oh, so ano sabihin nun? Ng 77. Passing yung grupo. Yung grupo passing. Baka naman ang taas ng ating ranges. 0K lang for as a practice. Yeah. Baka respondent ni gikan sa imong school. Nag-take og NMAT, igo ra gyud passing. Wala yung mga excellent. No? Ito yung typical. So ano yung mean? 77.83. Ano yung standard deviation? 19.2. Malaki ba na standard deviation na? What does that tell you? Look at the standard deviation. Dako kayo? Ngano ganing makaingon mo nga dako kay na? The majority is what? Ranges from what? Compute da yun, everyone.
77 plus 19.
Oo, what 77 plus 19?
86.
Oo. 77 minus 19. Basic calcu. Oo. Meaning majority comes from the range of 58 to 96.
59 to 96.
Majority, correct? Oh. So we have a mean, I have a standard deviation, and what is the description? Passing. Correct? Okay. Oo. The question, if that is the mean and if that is the standard deviation, are you interested also to present pila man gyud ang naka-excellent diha kay basig naa man gyud sad? Right? Is that also important? Pilang man gyud ang naka-very good? Kasi baka typical lang yun. Right? So mag-ihap ta. And then we get the percentage, correct? So we get back to your... So alangan naman nato ng tinambanon, dili nato na tinambanon, kaya naman tayo SPSS. Okay? So we go to transform. That means kaning 70, unsa man ni siya? Oo, dapat maihap nato kung pila ka buok ang failed. Pila ka buok ang very good. Correct? Pila ka buok ang ngana, no? Tapos kung mean, wala tayo ingana. So meaning, I have to transform that first. So, click transform, click recode into different variable, and then click the NMAT, click into that, and then go to the old and new variables, and then go to range. No? Meaning that, from the range, can you dictate? Okay. Ano yon? Oo, from 95 to 100, well, maybe we can assign that as 1. And then we go. So, lahat ng 95 to 100 in my data, will be marked 1. Para maihap sa SPSS kung pila tong 1. Get? No? Next. What's the next? Dictate. 90 to 94. And then we say the new value is 2. And then you go add. Next one. 85 through 89. The new value is 3. And then we add. Next one. 82 through 84. The new value is 4. And then we go add. What's next? 75 to 79. The new value is 5. No? And then we add. And then ano pa? Meron pa ba? 0 to 74. And our new value is 6. And then we add. Okay na? And then we press continue. And then we will name that output variable. This time we say nmat recoded. No? Or maybe nmat recoded is really the label. And then we go change. And then we go okay. So you notice that? Na nakoy ihap. Remember when we tried to count gender? We coded it, but we already coded it in Excel. This time, I'm showing you that even if you coded, even if you did not code it in Excel, you can do that in SPSS. You code it here, no? And that was the procedure. Okay? So we already have that. And then what do we want? We are counting the how many outstanding, how many like that, correct? But we can also go to variable view, no? In the recoded, if you notice that, no? In the label, that's a recode, you can see that there, no? And then when you say value, ano ba yung 1? Excellent. You can go like that. Then you go add. Ano ba yung 2? We're naming variables because pag walang pangalan, mag-code ra siya dito sa output, which is just pretty fine. Pero di man ta gusto mawala. So, what's number 2?
Very good.
Very good. Add. What's number 3? Ha?
Good.
Good lang. Uy nga nung very good nun eh. Okay. Ako yung correctionan. Good. Alright. Change. Alright. And then the next is the value is 4. And then our ano is fair. Then we add. And what's 5? Ha? Passing. And then we add. And then what's next? 6. Fail. Or failed. Failed? Ano? Okay. There. So, may mga pangalan na. Alright? And then I go to data view. So, ayan na. What do I want? I want frequency. Pila ka outstanding, pila ka excellent, pila ka ano, no? So, I'm gonna go to analyze. Where will I go next? I'm going to count naman. Pila ka outstanding, pila ka very good. Ano, where will I go? I'll go to descriptive stat. And then I'm going to go to frequency. Remember that? Okay, which we did when we did the number 1, correct? Okay, so what is the frequency that I'm counting? You are going to go to nmat recoded. Alright? And then you go like that. And then what do we want? We go to statistics. Ito ba yun? Okay, cancel. What do we want? You want this? We only want display frequency table, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we go okay. And so the results here. How many people? 36, correct? Okay. May mga tao bang naka-excellent man lang?
Yes.
Pila ka percent?
20%.
22. Laki-laki din yun, ha? Pero you notice when we only presented the mean? When we only presented the mean, dito ba ang mean sa asa? Dito sa 77, which is the failed. Dito sa passing, correct? Oo. Pero you notice, you have extremes. You have the passing, you have the excellent, and then you have a large percentage in the failing. That's why, dili makita. No? So, meaning that, when you present only a mean, kinda there's a picture that's missing. And this will add to the picture. You follow? Okay. So, what's my suggestion on how to present your table? So, ma'am, unsa kung gina na mo pag-present ang table, ma'am, para magkadimao man kung mag-present ang table, no? So, we go to the, I have a sample table there. No, sample table to present your interval data. So, it would go like this. So, pila ka percent, pila ka buok, and then the percentage, and then you present your mean, you present your description, you present your standard deviation. So, what was the mean again? When we have 77.1, I guess, and then you have a standard deviation of 19 something, right? Let's say 19.0, and then you have the spread here. That completes the picture. And then you can present also your chart here. Will that complete the table? Complete the picture of what? What was our question? Our question is, what is the NMAT performance of your respondents? Right? Correct? But this time, as a group. We have not said per variable. Okay, let me just bring you to number 3. What is the mathematics performance? What do you think will you do with that? As a group first. What is the mathematics? You get the mean of the entire group. Okay? But what was our data for mathematics performance? Look at that. It's a grade. It's a grade. Therefore, there has to be a what? A 1.5, 1.0 to 1.5 excellent. Kasi graduate. Diba? So here, pwede nyo magamit ang handbook. Ba? As a group. Muna. No? Look at your number 4. Problem statement number 4. Everyone, problem statement number 4. What is the academic performance? Anong gagawin dyan? Similar. Pero academic. Grado. Ang highest dyan, 1, di ba? So, napod kayo 1.0 to 1.5, code 1. 1.0 to 1.2, code 2. Klaro ba? Okay. So, before we go to the specific variable, I want you to do this on our sample data para makita nato kung pareho ba tag-answer before you do with something with your requirement data. Klaro ba? Okay? So, group work. Try daw, be? Kung kamo lang ang magtrabaho. Okay? So, I'll stop here. You do the SPSS for 2, 3, 4. Okay? Pero ano lang? As a group. As a group data, no? As a group result. Okay? If you can extend to the specific variable, that's fine. Alright? Laro ba? Okay lang? Okay. Or gusto niyo mag-continue na ako na mag-demo ato? Or baka ma-load na kayo, no? You wanna try? Wanna try out muna? Okay.